Vincent. Welcome at EsperanceSmith.net. You have been injured yesterday in the training.
Thank you for your honor. And this injury is not any serious injury; it's just a minor injury. But I'm getting better. Hopefully, I'm gonna play and do my best in the match. So they shouldn't worry about that. They should just keep on praying and support the team. We're going to Morocco to bring a point, or at least to win, or to bring a point at least, because it's not an easy game. It's a difficult game to play. An away game is not easy, but we're hoping for the best. So I'm telling the fans that they should keep on praying and support the team as well, as they've always been doing.
At which post you are playing?
Yeah, for now I don't know the post I will be playing. I'm a professional footballer, and anywhere the coach decides to put me, I do my best, and I think I'm ever ready to do everything for the coach and for the club. So I don't worry about the post the coach decide to put me. So I'm ever ready.
Thank you, Akul.
You're welcome.